damage happened on this corner behind the bumper. So it's been damaged there on this corner. So the bumper is not fitting right on this right side. So before I shut in boot down to see misalignments, there's a poor repair on boot lid. It's two excessive fillers, as you can see, is peeling off, and there's no damage into the spare wheel carrier section, but it doesn't have one. As you can see, there are misalignments and there's gaps where the lead shots to it's not matching to the corner of the quarter panel wing section. As you can see, there's a gaps. It's too close there, too wide there, comparing to the other side. So it should kind of really look like that. Visually, very satisfactory respray on a boot lid. There's unrepaired damage visible behind the bumper. So there's excessive filler used in this section on a quarter panel. This section has been repaired. There's some visual imperfections in a paintwork, as you can see, those little not fish eyes but solvent marks. Same as around here, there was a dent, excessive filler used around this section right there, and this from the D pillar all the way across been resprayed. There's a few marks of sort of overspray from the masking tape. It's not being sort of polished out. Otherwise, the gap-wise, the color matching is okay. I will have to leave you to decide whether that is satisfactory for you. For me, as a professional, it's not satisfactory repair in general. There's a few also bumper marks and damages and resprays on this section of the bumper, but it's not very severely damaged, but these imperfections and abrasion marks on the bumper. So, and this section is obviously sticking out due to not lining up or not fitted correctly. Basically, that's the CAT S damage for you.